Hello, friends. We are going to go over day one of the worksheets that will need to be completed and turned in to me today. Excuse me. Here it is, day one. The first thing you guys are going to take a look at is talking about what a preview is. Look at one or more of the movie previews listed below. So on your sheet in class notebook, you'll be able to click on these YouTube links, just like you clicked on this link in the classroom notebook, and you can watch the videos just to get an idea of what a movie preview is. That's all you need to do for that section. Then we go down to the actual questions of the book. We're going to take a look at the book. It says the gold bug. The first question is, what is the title of this book? What is the title of this book? Is it A, the Pittsburgh Steelers, B, the gold bug, or C, the cat in the hat? With your drawing tool that should on class notebook that should kind of look like a pen, you can pick whatever color you want and you're going to circle what the answer is. In this case, the answer is the gold bug. Now we go to question 2. Question 2 says, circle all the words that come to mind when you think of the words in this title. So when you think of the words the gold bug, what words come to mind? Do bugs come to mind? If it does, you're going to circle it. Do cats come to mind? Computers? Hats? Movies? Dogs? Dancing? Sings? Yellow? Eggs? Phones? Music. You're going to circle all the words that remind you of the title, The Gold Bug. Excuse me. Then we'll go to question 3. Question 3 says, read the back cover and the first page of the book. If you've already watched the video, which you should have, you have read the whole chapter or whole part of the book. We're going to write down any clues you might have. What I want you to do for part A is I want you to write down, you can type it in, what are the 4 characters that we learn about in this first part? There are 3 human characters and 1 animal character. I want you to write down the 3 human characters' names, so use your book, and the 1 animal character's names to answer question 1, the characters. Then in part B, it says setting. Where is this part of this book taking place? It tells us, excuse me, where are they located? Where is this story taking place? Look back in the book, listen again to the story, and tell me where it's taking place. And then for number 3, I want you to tell me, what is this part about? What is it about? Pick out some words from that part that tell me what it's about. Excuse me. If you don't think you can spell the words and you think you could draw me a picture, or you can insert the audio so you can just speak it to me, you can do that. Don't worry about if you can't type out the spelling. You can insert where it has a little microphone, press on that and talk into it, and I can hear it. And I'll take that as a grade. Number 4 says, why would you want to read this book? I would or would not. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to circle, would you like to read it or would you not like to read it? Because why? Tell me why you would like to read it. Maybe you want to read it because you want to find out about the gold bugs. Maybe you don't want to read it because you don't like bugs. But I want you to tell me it. Again, if you can't write it, click on that little microphone and record me the message. Record me your answer. The next question says, a man found a gold bug. Find the gold bug. All you're going to do is take your little pen app here and you're going to circle the gold bug. That way I know that you read it and answered it. The next one says, excuse me, a man also found a piece of parchment. A map was on the parchment. Where is the map? This one you have to look a little closer. But if you look, you can see the little X. X marks the spot on the map. So you just want to circle that. And if you're doing this in class notebook, you will have this. It will save automatically and it will come right to me directly on Microsoft Teams. If you are doing this on another piece of paper, please have your parent or guardian take a picture of your answers and they can text it to me or email it to me. And that way I can check your answers. If you have any questions, please get onto Microsoft Teams during office hours. You can either call in or you can get on either your phone. If you download Microsoft Teams on the app, you can download it. You can get onto a video call, or I will be sending out my conference number for morning and afternoon office hours. Please get on those if you have any questions. All right, I will see you all later. As soon as I figure out how to X out again.